Hey everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to uninstall Cursor AI IDE in Windows. So let's get started. First thing, let's uninstall from control panel. So just go to search and type control panel, open it, and here select programs, click on programs and features. Here we will be having two things, two cursor, right click and select uninstall for both. Click on yes and do the same here also. Click on yes. That's it. This will take some time, and after uninstalling it from control panel there will be some folders which we need to delete also. So to remove those folders, first go to this PC, local disk C, users, your system username, and here we are having two folders, .cursor, .cursor tutor. You can just delete this both. Now just go to search and type run, open it, and just type over here percentage app data percentage. Okay, you just need to type this and click on OK. You will be taken to the app data roaming folder like this, and here we can see we are having a folder named cursor. Right click and delete it. Just go back to app data, and here we are having local. Open it, and here we are having cursor updater. Click and delete this, and next if you scroll down we'll be having programs, and inside programs we are having a folder named cursor. Delete this also, and now if you just go to search and type cursor, we will be having the app. You can just right click and select open file location. This will take you to start menu programs. Again right click and select open file location. It can't detect, we can just click on yes, and that's it. We have removed it successfully, and don't forget to empty your recycle bin. That's a video guys. Do check the playlist of my channel. Done a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.